It is just the gift that keeps giving. What did I expect? I bought a crash damage car. There is more damage than we expected. Get the money out. Oh God, oh no! Guys, what is happening, and welcome back to the Audi S1 Chronicle. So we are finishing off for what we did last time, where we struggled on the rear arms. So hopefully today we can actually make some progress and get these arms dropped. I've got angle grinder, I've got a reciprocating saw. The only thing I haven't got is a blowtorch. Man, there's so much stuff I need to get in this process, and it's unbelievable. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. I know you enjoy this one, so let's go. Right, so in the last video, as you saw, we was trying to undo these, and it was with great difficulty. It didn't come off, so we've got this bolt here. So I've managed to source new bolts, thankfully, but 2 bolts, so two bolts with 2 nuts, 35 quid shipped. So a few of you were saying the subframe looks bent. I have had a look on eBay, and if you go on eBay and type in Audi S1 subframe, literally, because I thought this bit looked bent, but if you look on pictures and stuff, this does look normal. So yeah, same again. We're going to try and remove what we can. I've got angle grinder, I've got reciprocating saw, so obviously this isn't going to be used again. As long as we don't cut into this, we should be perfectly fine. So this is them. Basically, just, it looks like this bit wedges, but this doesn't spin. So there's me trying to spin this. I don't think it is going to spin, to be honest. I think I'm going to have to undo it this end and then push it out the subframe. I did manage to get the bolt to move a little bit, so I might be able to undo it yet and then hammer it out. But yeah, literally 2 bolts, 35 quid, like it just keeps adding up. Right, so if you can see, we're going for it today, so I ain't even messing about trying to undo crap bolts. We've got new ones to replace, so yeah, I'm gonna get underneath it, get the hacksaw on them 2 bolts, and hopefully these lower arms push out. Right, so it's cut. I don't know how well you can see under it, man, it's so dark. Come on, focus. As you can see there, it's chopped that side out, so we're gonna have to chop that side out now. So yeah, light work of that, literally like 2-3 minutes and it cuts it out. I just hope I can remove the bolts now. Right, so as you can see, that worked a treat. That's got that bolt's half come out, whereas this one I might have to like hammer it or get a chisel or something to try and pry it out, because yeah, we're lower armless at the minute. So what I might do, I might get the new one that I've bought and like line them up next to each other, so I'm going to be able to see if anything's bent then. So if they're back to back, then surely if that one's on the piss, then we'll know that it's been bent. So boom, so both of them have been cut now. It's just a case of getting a bolt out of the subframe. So yeah, let's go. Right guys, so let's get under this bad boy. Right, so I'm going to undo everything on the other side now. So this one's obviously been cut off, so that don't need to come out. Going to remove the anti-roll bar joint, the shock absorber and the lower arm for the hub, and then hopefully remove the other side of the lower arm. And then rather than put everything back together, we're going to replace everything we possibly can just to leave the hubs hanging basically, and then have a look at all the new stuff we've got, see if we can see anything bent. I can't see anything. People are like, oh yeah, subframe's bent. Mate, don't be an internet warrior. Like, I appreciate the help sometimes, but it's proofs like here, look, and you can't go, oh, this exhaust is slightly flat. Like, it's difficult to gauge over a video. But yeah, let's crack on. Show us that. Bring it here. So what I've done is I've hooked the mic up to the RC car. Let's go. Just appreciate it. Take for a sec. I washed it yesterday with stained glass. Whoa, my God. She's looking good, man. She's looking real good. I forget that I'm holding the mic, so I need to like talk next to it. But yeah, how good does the tag look, man? Whoa. I had easy work of that. So I got the mold, got the gun, got the mold grips, because it was like these wowed themselves. So the bolt like welds itself into this aluminium bush, so you kind of have to get the grips on it and that also. But yeah, we are free now, so subframe has got nothing holding us in, so I'm gonna undo the other side and then go from there. Right, so short, I believe if I undo this now, this should drop. Ready? It should drop. It's just it's ready to drop. There we go, easy as that, boy. Right, so the thing I noticed when we removed, you know, when we tried to remove the other lower arm that was C-shaped in one of the previous videos, when I tried to bolt this back up, it just wasn't lining up. Like, I had to really force the hub down, because when it lined up it was like miles off. So hopefully, as I said, we should take everything off and then we put new stuff on and we should all be sweet. So yeah, let's crack on. I just hope I don't struggle now, because like obviously I'm going to remove this lower C kind of upper arm, but the problem I've got is when I'm pushing like that, it's pushing the suspension down. So obviously if I'd have loosened everything with the lower arm probably still on, it wouldn't have flexed as much, I don't think. Probably still would have, but I'm just thinking if I want to push that, I'm fighting against the drive shaft, the diff and all that. So yeah, it's going to be fun. Right, there we go. Sorted. What dropped then? Something dropped. That was another shim that I think was that side. Right, so because it's exactly the same on both sides, I'm going to jump onto that side now and I'm going to remove that top bolt. So I'll see you in a sec. It is just the gift that keeps giving. What did I expect? I bought a crash damaged car. There is more damage than we expected. Get the money out. Oh God, oh no. Bugger. But it means brand new stuff's going on. So, let me show you. Right, so nothing is actually going to stop us. We can still kind of take this side apart, take that side apart. I am going to remove the anti-roll bar, because obviously if all the hub and everything is connected, if it's took a slap, surely that would bend the ends of the anti-roll bar. It's quite flexible, so it might bend and bend back, but yeah, I'm going to remove the anti-roll bar, another thing out the way, and then it just makes life a lot easier putting everything back in. So let's go. Right, so hopefully you can see the underneath where I'm about to get. I don't want to get in the way, I want you to be able to actually see what we're doing. So this gun is a beast, hopefully. There we go. Come on. Yes. Oh no. Oh no. What have we done here? Oh shit. Yeah, it's that much of a beast, it snaps bolts. Right, so unfortunately we have some snapped bolts. So we got that one snapped. Where are we at? Yeah, we got that one snapped right there, which is unfortunate. And then we got that one snapped down there. Hopefully me Milwaukee drill out kit, I'll be able to get on that and zip that right out. What a nightmare. So yeah, let me show you the breakages. Hang on, let's zoom out. Let me know when you can see it. I'm not going to tell you where it's cracked. See if you can guess. Oh my God, it's literally split there. Then it follows it all the way in there. So that could be why. Well, a few millimeters here expanded is going to be a big old gap. So yeah, new hub time. So next port of call is going to undo this bar here, because on that side I've obviously replaced that one because it was bent as hell, but I've bought two new ones anyway, just so we know we've got items that haven't been crashed. So 18mm there, 18mm there I believe, and then we've got this C-shaped one, so this bolt up here, that's goes to there, and obviously we've already undone it this side. So yeah, these are going to be like the, and then the only thing holding it in is the drive shaft. But I feel like this bolt here, holding this little C bracket on, is not supposed to come out because it is so difficult. I've got the knot fixed up against the body and I'm just literally trying to undo this bolt, and it's so hard, man. Oh man, this was the most difficult one yet. This bolt up here, wow, I don't even think it's supposed to come out. Like, I think it's I think you're supposed to like drop the subframe, because see this little gap here where my finger is. Like, I had to try and get the spanner in between there, up against there. On that, it was an absolute nightmare, man. But yeah, the bolt's out. Right, so now what we're going to do is 1, 2, remove the handbrake cable from here, get this plastic bit out here, so there and there, and then there's 4 bolts holding this one in. Like I say, we bought new stuff, so we might as well use it. So yeah, hopefully get this arm off so we've got a brand new arm to go into place. All I ask for, yeah, like, share, subscribe, please blast this channel into the atmosphere. Like, whoo, man, getting some work done on this today. I'm literally using my leg as a jack, so when I'm pushing down, it's pushing the hub down into my leg and my thigh. Man, this is difficult. Boys, we need a ramp, man. We need a double posted ramp, and I think we'll have no weather issues because we'll be in a garage and we'll be up in the sky. So let me show you what we're doing. So my current situation is, hopefully you can see this, so I've got my leg under here, yeah, using this as a prop. So because when I'm pushing down, it's pushing the old suspension hub down. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. But we're there now, so if I undo these two, this might drop a bit. I need to undo the drive shaft, pop that out of the way, and then undo the brake caliper. Got 1 bar left on this bad boy, and she rips. Oh yes, me baby. There we go. So I am actually a bit stuck now because I don't have the right socket for that. I'm not too sure what size it is, but I definitely haven't got that one. The one for the front was this one. Josh, if you're watching this, I need to bring this back to you, but this is a 36mm for the front drive shaft. For some reason they use a different size for the rear. Anyway, we need to, I kind of said, you know, when I said I wanted to stick to one thing and do one thing only, this is what I meant. So the only thing really stopping us is we need to undo that bolt, undo the carriers for the calipers, and then we can literally remove the hub. I don't have a new one of these for this side, so I might order one of those off Autodoc, which will probably be another 2-week wait, unfortunately. And for that, really, I don't really want to start messing about on the front, even though I do want to get this car finished, but I want to kind of start one thing and finish one thing, and I hope you lot are enjoying that as well. So yeah, I think I might have to end this one here, you know. I've got obviously the 2 snap bolts. I'm gonna get a nut and another nut and back them onto each other, and then try and lock them together and then undo it that way. So yeah, I think from me, we're pretty much all done here, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash the like button, make sure you comment, say hello, what you thought of the video, let me know down below, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. So peace.